Hello Curios, and welcome back to my channel. I am Kiri Callaghan, and this is a corner of my backyard. So we talk a lot about adulting and it sucks, and adulting has sort of become like the scarlet A of our generation, I sort of feel like. Which, I was thinking about this the other day, and I ended up falling down this weird little rabbit hole of research. Shocking me? What? No! But I fell down this research and was like, wait, because I remember that red letter also means something really important. So I went and looked at that definition, and it can mean a very important day, like a red letter day, or in academia, it meant like a scarlet day. It meant actually like a very important day in academics. And so this has been used since like the Roman calendar, so that's existed forever, and my brain just kind of went, wait a minute, that's a little weird. So how did we get to the scarlet letter being adultery and it's terrible and sinful? And I looked it up and I could find zero examples, with the exception of Nathaniel Hawthorne's stupid book. I can say that because I read it and I hate it. And that's the only time I can find it. It's just like, he decided, alright, Hester Prynne, you got a scarlet A. Which, to be fair, the Puritans probably did a lot more terrible things if you got caught committing adultery. But isn't that crazy? Because these days I feel like, for the most part, when people hear scarlet letter or even red letter, they're thinking Hester Prynne, adultery, or at least if they don't know the book or even the terrible movie with Demi Moore, they know the concept, you know what I'm saying? So I say, boo to your slut-shaming Nathaniel Hawthorne, even though your book, I know that the whole point of the book was not to, you know what I mean. Boo to that, let's reclaim that scarlet A, adulting, which is freaking awesome, or it can be, and it doesn't have to always suck. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna start doing an experiment with my closet. I have a decent amount of clothes that I've accumulated over the years, and recently I started cohabitating again with a partner, which is awesome. But then I have to give her half my closet. Guys, I have way too many clothes, and I don't wear all of them. And while I definitely do go through a regular purge, I feel like it's not a really true purge. Like, there are things that I definitely still hold on to, and I'm not entirely sure why, and it's hard to differentiate in my mind. No, I do still wear that, and I'm holding on to this for either sentimental reasons, or it fit when I was in college, and obviously my body is a much different shape than it was when I was in college, all that. There's many reasons to hold on to clothes. So the other day, my beloved Huffle pants, I tried them on, and I kinda felt like a sausage in a casing. It was not good. And it's really no fault of the pants. I think they're just older, and I think they actually shrunk, because when I originally bought these, I was actually about 10, 15 pounds heavier, but I think over time they've just sort of shrunk, because they're made of a very stretchy material. And I really did not like how I looked in them, or how I felt in them. And so I was like, okay, well, you gotta go. I'm giving it up now. Like, I'm good with who I am, but I'm never gonna be comfortable in this pair of pants again, because they've shrunk. And even if I decided to lose a ton of weight, I would be miserable trying to have these in my closet going, well, one day I might fit them. No, get rid of them. They're gone. So I decided I'm going to go through my closet item by item, excluding some costume pieces, because obviously I'm not going to wear my LARP clothes to work. I might wear my LARP clothes to work. Obviously, there are some things that I can wear to my office job and some things I can't. If you end up doing this experiment, choose wisely and obviously make concessions where you have to. Don't get in trouble with your boss because you wore a sweary t-shirt to your office job because you had to, because it was all you had left. You know what I mean? Today I am wearing my crop top because obviously crop tops are not business appropriate. Despite that I am in a very more relaxed office environment, I would not wear it to the office. So since it's Sunday, I'm wearing it today so I can get that out of the way and go, okay, this one checked off. And I'm going to wash it later, fold it up, and probably put it in a little nook or somewhere where it's out of the way where I can't accidentally or you know, wear it later like, oh, it's fine, we can just stop the experiment now. No! Getting through it, Callaghan. getting through it. Point being, on my Instagram, I'm gonna start doing a test where I will take a picture of something and go, hey, I hate how this feels. If I can't wear it for an entire day, it's going away. Literally. Like, if I put it on, I go, I don't feel good wearing this, it's gone. That's it. No second chances, you gone. Which brings me to the problem of, this is also going to be where I realize, am I severely lacking in pants? I am. I have way more shirts than pants. So when that happens, like obviously if I go through all of my bottoms, including my skirts, and I have to wash them, okay, then and only then can I go back and rewear something that I've already worn. And little accessories like hats, little over cardigans or sweaters, those are gonna get more of a pass for reusability simply because you can style with them. But if by the end of it, I do have to use all of them. So if I don't use one of those cardigan vests or blah, 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 it's going. Chopping block. Keep me honest. Keep me honest. I'm also going to try to do this a bit with coats, but coats are a little strange because I'm in LA, and obviously if I travel to Lake Spokane, like what I'm doing for Christmas, it's a different coat that I may be like, oh, this is a traveling coat. But we're gonna go through this, we're gonna get through the wardrobe, and we're gonna see what stays and what goes, because I have a sneaking suspicion by the end of this, I'm going to have a lot lighter closet, which on the bright side means I get to fill it again. But I want to challenge you to start going through your closet as well, because adults, unfortunately, do not have clothes that they hang on to years and years and years and just never wear. I mean, that's just used, like, LA space, LA closet space it's such a premium. Like, I'm wasting space by having clothing in there that I'm never gonna wear. So my challenge to you, go through your closet, like really go through it. If you want to join me in trying to wear your whole closet of clothes to see what you truly hate and what you truly love, I implore you to do so. Let me know in the comments how that goes. You can follow my journey on my Instagram, it's Kiri Callaghan. I'll put a link below as always. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope this red letter lesson was helpful and you can apply it to your own life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with all of your fellows. And of course, most importantly, stay curious. Bye!